everybody. Today I'm going to tell you an interesting story. Lord Ganesha and Kartikeya race story. It is about a race when they were fighting about a beautiful apple, and they were okay, and they didn't want to share it. Parvati wanted to cut it, but Shiva said no. This is a good fruit. This is a special kind of fruit. It gives to the power to someone whoever eats it, said Shiva to Parvati. So Parvati suggested that they'll call Narad Muni. Narad, so Narad told them that they should have a race, and whoever reaches Mount Kailash first will be the rightful owner of the apple, of the fruit. So the only condition was to go 3 revolutions around the universe. Whoever reaches Mount Kailash first is the rightful owner of the apple, said Narad Muni. And then Kartikeya has said, no worries, I'll complete this task. Ganesha has not started yet, so I'll be the winner. So before leaving, he gave a happy look at Ganesha's face because he was smiling because he was going to be the winner. Ganesha got angry, so he said, my mouse cannot fly. So he decided to go around his mother and father, Shiva and Parvati. So he called his parents, Shiva and Parvati, and asked them to sit on Mount Kailash where they lived. So Kartikeya already disappeared on his peacock, and he flew away on his peacock. So Ganesha, he said he invited his parents to sit on Mount Kailash, and he took 3 rounds around his parents. He went around his parents chanting Shiva and Parvati's name. After completing it, he said, give me the fruit, I'm the winner. Parvati said, how come you have still here? You have not even left Kailash, said Parvati. But no, said Ganesha, it is not about going around the universe. It's all about going around our parents. So the parents are always the whole universe to me and all of us who are on this earth, said Ganesha. Shiva and Parvati said, Ganesha, you're absolutely correct. And so Parvati handed Ganesha out the fruit. They were so impressed by his wisdom, and Parvati gave the fruit to Ganesha, and Ganesha was happy. In the meantime, Kartikeya also came, and he got angry. So he got angry. Ganesha already finished the fruit. He said, where's my fruit? He said, no, Ganesha already took it, said Shiva, because he So, Ganesha was the rightful winner, so he ate the fruit, swallowed the fruit already, he said. So, Kartikeya got angry. He was sure that he was a rightful winner, but then he realized that Shiva was right. Ganesha always does the right things, never plays tricks. He learned that Ganesha had used his wisdom to play, and he win the race. So he was also very happy. The moral of this story is there are two morals. Use your wisdom at the right time and the right place. Next moral is respect your parents. There's no one as important as them in your life. So that's the moral of the story. So this is what we learned from Ganesha and Kartikeya race story. That our parents are the whole universe to us. No need to go a race around the universe, but go around your parents. Okay?
Listen to them.
Listen to them also, and if you enjoy the story, you can like it. And then, Om Namah Shivaya. Bye-bye.
Namaste.
Namaste.